Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Every morning when we open our wardrobe, there's this common question: what do I wear that looks stylish, feels super comfortable, and still fits my budget? I know I've been there too. And that's why in today's video, I'm showing you some really classy kurta sets from Myntra. They are perfect for office, for casual outings, or for just everyday wear. They're made of premium quality fabric, they fit beautifully, and the best part, they're actually pretty affordable considering the quality. So let's dive right in and I'll show you all the outfits I've picked. We have this one from Indoera. It's a sea green kurta set which is priced at only Rs 1,999 and I'm wearing it in a size medium. It fits so perfectly. It has this oversized relaxed fit which makes it super comfortable, and it's made of pure cotton. The cotton feels really soft on the skin, it's lightweight, and the fit and the quality of the fabric are too good for the price. Now this is such an amazing kurta set. They have provided two pockets on the kurta as well as on the pants. It's a sea green kurta set which looks really striking, and these huge blue flowers on it, they look like actual painting. It comes with this round neck, these 3/4 flared sleeves which I absolutely love. It's a straight calf length kurta which comes with solid straight trousers in the same sea green shade, and it is high waisted with an elasticated waistband. Now it has this blue thread work here along with these blue tassels which looks really cute. I've styled them with these gorgeous heart earrings, my transparent heels, and my beige handbag from Lino Perros. Now this is a modest long kurta set which looks really chic, and you can wear it for office, for formal meetings. You can also wear it for family visits and for puja days. The color combination of sea green and navy blue looks so pretty and striking. If you are looking for decent and sophisticated kurta sets with unique detailings, this one's for you. Next we have this solid A-line kurta set from Maan. It's priced at only Rs 2,500 and I'm wearing it in a size medium. Now I love the fit and quality of Maan. It's just on point and the fabric feels super soft. And to get such pieces in such affordable price range, these are a steal. Now this is a solid brownish mustardish kurta which comes with this pleated detailing that adds a beautiful touch to this look. It's made of cotton, so it is perfect for the hot weather. It's comfortable and feels really soft. The fit, as mentioned, it's easy, breezy, gives you ample space to move around in, and it's perfect for all day wear. Now if you are looking for some simple and decent kurta sets for office or for everyday wear, this is a must-have. It comes with this V-neck, these 3/4 flared sleeves which has these cutouts, and it has one pocket on the right side which adds a lot of functionality to it. It's a long calf length kurta which comes with the same solid trousers. The trousers are high waisted and they come with an elasticated waistband. Now since it's a polished kurta set which is perfect for office or formal meetings, I've styled it professionally. I've kept my accessories minimal. I've styled it with these drop earrings, my transparent heels because they're easy, they're comfortable, and they go with everything, and this beautiful burgundy bag which I got from Zara. I love the color combination and they look really well together. Now this looks really smart and it's such an effortless piece. It requires minimal styling and will instantly make you look put together. Now we have this pink mull kurta set from Baisa Crafts. It's an asymmetrical kurta which comes with straight matching pants. Now the baby pink color looks really cute and it comes with this lace border detailing with these cute white flowers around the hem of the sleeves, the neck, and the pants, which adds a really cute feminine touch to it. It looks straight out of the Pinterest board and it's made of cotton mull which feels really soft on the skin. It's a lightweight fabric which is super comfortable. It's priced at only Rs 2,800 and I'm wearing it in a size large. Now this size fits me perfectly, so I would recommend you to go for a size up for that comfortable relaxed fit. It comes with a V-neck, these 3/4 flared sleeves, it has this asymmetrical up-down shape, and it comes with straight trousers that are high-waisted with an elasticated waistband. I've styled it with my gorgeous pearl earrings, my pearl bag, and my transparent heels. Now if you are looking for some pretty kurta sets in girlish shades which you can wear for brunch dates, for casual outings, or for even simple puja days, this one's for you. This is a really elegant and graceful kurta set which will make you look effortlessly put together. Next we have this navy blue kurta set from House of Kari. It looks like an Indo-Western cord set. It's a short straight kurta in navy blue shade which comes with straight trousers in white. It's priced at only rupees 3300 and I'm wearing it in a size medium. Now this looks like a Pakistani co-ord set and they look really chic and stylish. I love the fit and it's super comfortable, gives you ample space to move around. It is made of lawn cotton which is of really fine quality and it's perfect for the hot humid Indian weather. Now this one looks really graceful and it's perfect for casual family visits or you can wear it for office. It's a printed kurta which comes with this blue and white floral print that adds a really chic touch to it, and it comes with this round neck, these long flared sleeves which are my favorite. It's a straight kurta which ends right at your knees, and it comes with straight white trousers which have navy blue pattern on the hem of the trousers, and they are high-waisted with an elasticated waistband. These trousers are really comfortable and the whole kurta set in itself is super modest. I've styled it with these gorgeous heart earrings which I got from Sofetch, my transparent heels because of course they literally go with everything, and this really cute silver bag which has these button accents. Now if you are looking to elevate your ethnic wardrobe, this Indo-Western co-ord set is definitely for you. It's a fuss-free, effortless co-ord set perfect for casual outings. And let me tell you, even if it's for 3300, the quality of the fabric and the fit justifies the price. Next we have this green floral printed kurta set again from House of Kari. This one's priced at only rupees 2700 and I'm wearing it in a size medium. It's made of really lightweight muslin fabric which is super breathable and feels comfortable. It is perfect for summers and for all day wear. Now this is a short straight kurta which comes with the same matching pants. Now these are not straight pants, these are sort of barrel in shape, but they don't look like salwar either. I love the floral print on this green kurta set. First of all, the green shade in itself looks really striking, and this floral print, it looks really vibrant. I love the blue and the pink floral prints that it has. It adds a really beautiful touch. Now this one comes with a notch neckline, these long flared sleeves. It's a straight kurta which ends right at your knees, and it comes with pants that, as I described, are sort of barrel in shape, and they are high-waisted with an elasticated waistband. They are very comfortable. I have to praise House of Kari for the fit of the pants. They fit so well as if they were tailored just for me. Now I've styled it with these gorgeous small ethnic earrings which go really well with this kurta set. I've paired them with my transparent heels and this really cute colorful heart bag which I recently added to my bags collection. This I bought from an exhibition, but I'll try to link something very similar to it. Look how cute this is. It has all these beads and tassels hanging, and it's such a versatile piece. You can easily style it with festive as well as casual outfits. Now if you are looking for some effortless and charming kurta sets with vibrant prints which you can wear for garden parties, for picnics, or for casual outings, this one's for you. Next we have this really gorgeous pure cotton kurta set from Man. It's in this white shade with beautiful floral print and these striped detailings. I got this for around 2000 and I'm wearing it in a size medium. The pure cotton fabric feels really soft and breathable. It's a super comfortable outfit which gives you ample space to move around in, and the white color in itself is super soothing and calming. When I saw this outfit on Myntra, I knew I had to show it to you guys because it is so unique and it looks luxurious, but it's super affordable. It's an A-line kurta which comes with this collar neckline which is the main highlight of this piece. It is this red striped collar and it comes with the same striped belt which you can wear to cinch your waist, or you can wear it as it is for a relaxed fit. The floral print on it looks so vibrant and pretty. It's a long calf length kurta which comes with trousers in the same white shade and they have the same red striped pattern on the hem. Now this comes with this collar neck, these regular sleeves with roll up detailings. As mentioned, it's an A-line kurta and it comes with white trousers which are high-waisted with an elasticated waistband. If you want a more structured and polished look, you can definitely add the belt provided. I've styled it with these gorgeous pearl studs, this maroon shoulder bag which goes really well with the print, and my transparent heels. Now this is perfect for office, for professional meetings. You can also wear it for casual family visits, and you can also style it for brunch dates. If you are looking for an everyday designer kurta set without the hefty price tag, This one's for you. Okay, now we have this one from House of Kari, and let me tell you, it's a really pretty pink kurta set. It's a short kurta which comes with Farsi salwar that is actually trending right now. I got it for around 3200 and I'm wearing it in a size medium. I love the fit, it looks super flattering and it's made of really premium cotton fabric, feels really soft and comfortable. It's a really classy piece that looks super stylish and you can wear it all day without getting tired. It comes in this beautiful short pink kurta which is paired with a darker pink shade Farsi salwar. It has this floral print both on the salwar and the kurta which adds a really statement touch to the look. Now it comes with a round neck, these long flared sleeves that I absolutely love, and it's a short straight kurta which comes with a Farsi salwar that is high waisted with an elasticated waistband. Let me tell you, the pants are super comfortable and it fits beautifully. Now if you are looking for some girlish kurta sets that look really cute which you can wear for college or for casual outings, this one's for you. I've styled it with my gorgeous pearl earrings, my transparent heels and this really cute metallic bag which I got from an exhibition, but I would definitely link a similar bag. I love how effortless this kurta set is and it looks really flattering on a mid-sized body. So if you are someone that loves wearing stylish outfits that are modest and don't want to compromise on comfort, this one's for you. And that's it from today's video. I hope you like these kurta sets as much as I liked putting them together. Honestly, I feel these pieces are total wardrobe essentials. They're classy, versatile and very easy to style. Do let me know in the comments which look was your favorite and which one you would keep for office or for a casual day out. And of course, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more fashion finds coming your way. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay stylish, stay comfortable and stay you. Bye bye.